2025, and I'm doing a good old-fashioned unboxing video. I actually just got these in while I was recording some other stuff, so I wanted to open them for the first time with you guys, because every time I get a package in from Kith, I never do it live unboxing with it, and we've got some cool ones, and sometimes I don't even end up doing videos on them, so I'm gonna hold myself accountable and get this one done with you guys. So the grand total for this was a lot, because it's $450 for one and $220 for the other one. Check this out though. Yo, what? This is insane. Okay, so we got a double box and we got a single box, and since we have both of these, I did want to show you guys. I did get a t-shirt as well. I had to show you guys me unboxing this thing as well, because this t-shirt is so much better than it looked like in the package. It has like all the characters on the front with the Kith box logo, and then the Marvel vs. Capcom 2 on the back, and the print is on the back as well. Super, super crazy. Really nice details on this, and some throwback characters that I remember seeing back in the day as well. But really, really nice t-shirt. As you can see, here's a comic book as well. So I got two of the base ones. Shout out to my friend Jen for that one. And then I actually got two graded slabs as well. So it was a blind box. You could get a graded slab. You can get the base comic. And I got two of each. So fire. I think this one comes with a comic too. But let's go ahead and take a look. So first and foremost, we're going to look at this one. This is crazy. This, I believe this is a pullout. Yeah, there we go. Holy. Well, this is interesting. They're individual boxes. So comes with the sleeve. Oh, weird. So they are individual boxes, and they're the same pattern, but you can see some of the characters from the game. Obviously Wolverine on one side, you got Mega Man, Cap, you have Guile, Iron Man, and Ryu on the other side. So those are the characters that they focused on. I'm gonna flip it. Holy, this is fire, bros. It's like such an experience. So this is the bottom, and I think that the comic is in here. Open here to start, it says. This is such an experience. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this down. Bruh. Okay. This is crazy. So this is the Iron Man colorway. Gelnimus 10.1 is the model from Asics. Kind of an Iron Man gradient fade there. I probably should pay this respect it's due. Like, look at this. This is crazy. Comes with some extra laces as well. Always love to see that. Got two extra sets of laces. I'll get into the shoes in just a second here. All right, so this has a seal for the comic right here. And of course we got to open it. So I'm gonna open this by cutting the seal. Okay, got it. And here is the moment of truth. Ooh, I got a slab. I don't even see it. I don't know which one it is. I got a 9.0, which isn't the best, but it's green. I think the green variant is good. Fire. This is crazy. So this one is at like an 8% chance of getting the green one. So it is a little bit different than the other ones. And unfortunately, this is like a good one, but not the best one. This one, there's the base, there's the green one. There's, it looks like gold, red, silver, or orange, red, silver, yellow for gold, and then white, one-on-one sort of action there at a 0.02% chance. This one, you have an 8% chance. So 8% chance of getting a slab. But yo, I'll take it. I'm just stoked that I actually got a slab twice for this setup. Anyways, that's the first one. The second one is right here. And you don't get a slab for this one. So this is the only one that actually comes with the slab as I'm looking at it. But same thing for the box. I like it has the same three fighters on each side selected down here. This one is the second. Ooh, these are fire. I think that this actually might be my favorite out of the two. You have the Mega Man joints right here. So for those that have been followers of mine for like a long time, I actually did a Kyrie 1 Mega Man theme. And back in the day, I had a buddy actually make like an actual Mega Man like embroidered patch and stuff. This one comes with two sets of laces as well. But this is the best colorway in my opinion of the two. I'm a long-term fan of Mega Man. Mega Man 2 was probably the easiest but most fun ones on Nintendo back in the day. But details on these are wild, dude. And this is the Gelnimus 10.1 as well. But before I get into too many details on that, I got to check out this last one here. This one's crazy. So this is Marvel Capcom Collector footwear, as they say on here as well. So I love the extras there. Same box as what we already saw here. Such a good box, dude. And I did have to buy this one too because OG Street Fighter fan, dude. These are crazy. I had to get these. This is the Ryu pair right here. This is the Kayano 14. Super clean. 2 sets of laces as well. Custom insoles. The materials are wild. You could see it's kind of like a cloth material, canvas material throughout with raw edges. This might be my favorite out of all of them, to be honest. But $220, that's the dagger price one. It's like $220, and you don't get a comic on this one, unfortunately. But the gel in red is fire. The back section here in blue. And then it does give you some specialized branding on the inside of the shoe as well. It does say Asics on one tongue. It says Kith on the other one that's sewn on top. Fig on the back of one, and then gel on the other. And then Kayano 14, gel Kayano 14s on both. So you put the insoles together and it actually makes Ryu. That's fire. So those ones look crazy, but for the Gel Nimbus 10.1s, I haven't tried these ones on yet, but they look pretty comfortable. It does look like it has the same outsole and the same midsole as the Kayano 14. So for those wondering, it looks identical. I can do a review, like actually I might do that, like a 10.1 versus the Kayano 14 video, because I don't know the differences between them. Looking at them side by side, it's just the aesthetics of the upper, which the Kayano 14s has been a fan favorite for a while for a good reason. This coloring looks like a little bit off. He looks a little greenish for some reason. I don't know why. He looks like the Hulk. But the shoes look wild. And then you have Kith on the back of both of them, and it says Gel Nimbus 10.1 on the tongue. It says Kith as well on one and Asics on the other. But my favorite detail about these, the red pods are obviously a nice little addition here. And then also the gradient fade. You have that like bluish gradient fade here. And then also along the sides underneath this mesh, you can see it kind of looks like a little bit of a webbed graphic as well under there. So this one I think they did a tremendously nice job on as well. And then I haven't even got a close look at these because I've been paying too much attention to the other ones. But taking this out, looking at the insides, this is the most fun about getting a pair of sneakers, man. Just unboxing them and checking them out. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, subscribe for more content, and let me know if you guys want to see actual more raw unboxings like these. Anyway, there's the insole right here, the Iron Man. Definitely like an OG, different vibe Iron Man than the one we're used to seeing in like the MCU and whatnot. But you do have the Kith branding on here as well on the tongue. And then this pair, even though it is the same model, it has a different effect to it. So the mesh down here, it does have a gradient fade. It's like yellow and orange, but it is a grid pattern to it versus the other one is just like a mesh. And then on the sides here where you had the see-through mesh with the lines that were done in blue on the Mega Man one, you actually have like an overlay done with a little texture over top in yellow on top of the, I guess it's a yellow, orange, yellow gradient fade on top of the red. So pretty cool that they actually changed that up quite a bit. It makes it nice and unique and pretty fun and nice and playful. The bottoms, I do like that you have the gradient fade for the middle section as well versus the Mega Mans, you just have that milky white one. But which is your favorite out of these three guys? Like, leave a comment, let me know. Do you guys like the Ryus? Do you like the Iron Mans? Do you guys like the Mega Mans? I mean, all three of these are just excellent. And what a fun thing to see, and even better to get a slab, like super cool, man. And it has the Iron Man Mega Man on it. So this slab being different than the other one is also awesome. Like the blue one with Ryu and Wolverine, and then you have the Iron Man Mega Man one. This is so rad. Anyways, this is a really fun package. I might just wrap this one and put it under the Christmas tree for myself because I feel like it is like a Christmas present waiting for me to happen again. Anyways, what do you guys think about the Marvel vs. Capcom collab with Kith? I think it's awesome. They did a great job. Fan of the game from back in the day. I wasn't super goated at it, but I was a fan of the game back in the day. Fan of Capcom games in general, growing up as a Nintendo kid. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys have a good rest of the day, and hopefully see you back on the channel for some more content. All right, peace, guys.